We're going to create a brand new equation by combining two equations together and then rearranging to make R the subject. In this example, it says that F equals mv squared over R, so this is actually the centripetal force, and also F is equal to BQV, which is actually the force on a charged particle in the magnetic field, but you don't necessarily need to know that to actually have a go at this example. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to equate the two things together. And that means we can say that mv squared over R is equal to BQV. We can see that there's a V term here and a V term here. So if I was to divide both sides by V, what we're doing then is we're basically getting rid of the squared and that V. And that means that mv over R is equal to BQ. But we need to make R the subject. So we're going to do that by bringing the R up and the BQ down. And therefore we can say that R is equal to mv over BQ. So here, if we knew the mass of something and its velocity, which together are its momentum, and we knew the strength of the magnetic field and the charge in this object, we could then work out its radius in that magnetic field. So here, we've equated the two things together, we simplified, and then we've just rearranged. And that's how, in this case, we combine those two equations together. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of the mini course, which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.